Today in crypto, we actually have some quite an interesting number of news. First on our list is a quarter of US crypto holders are women, growing more crypto curious. We actually have a news that from the United States that from Gemini, a survey conducted by Gemini Exchange, it says that over a quarter of crypto holders in the United States are women. That's actually a very good one that the women are coming into cryptocurrency. And according to survey too, it says that over 53% of women are curious, are showing interest to actually come into crypto and get invested more than men. That's a good one. And also, we also have reported that an exchange in Australia actually says that more women are investing in crypto, are invested in cryptocurrency in their exchange in the past 1 year more than the men, and even investing with more capital more than the men. That women are averaging about $2,300 and the men over $2,000. So that's quite a good news, a good one that women are actually taking their place in the crypto space, and that's a good one for adoption. Another news we have here is that Fitness Metaverse, this tech company trades sweats for crypto and NFTs. This is actually a good one. We actually have now trending in the crypto space that work and earn. Now we have what we call work, sweat and earn. This is actually a good one from oliveX. It's a company which actually wants to give and help earn while you burn sweat. You work through maybe walking through exercises, and they're also building an NFT fitness metaverse, which is actually a very good one. And on their platforms, if you actually complete missions, because they also have games complete missions, which is walking, doing exercise and the rest, you actually earn their token. Those token is actually a very great one, and they are building their NFT, their metaverse, fitness metaverse. The token was launched since last year November, and it has been doing extremely well, all time of over $0.4. You can check it on CoinMarketCap. And actually love this token. I actually downloaded their application Runner. You can actually download their application Dustland Runner on maybe Play Store, iOS, and if you follow the activities, you actually can actually earn up some free of their tokens and some NFTs. So it's a good one in the crypto space, mad adoption. And we also have another news here from former CEO of Bitmex Exchange. He actually says Bitcoin predicted to hit 1,000 1 million US dollars in 8 years time. That's by author A's. He's saying that by 2030, Bitcoin should have reached 1 million US dollars. That's actually quite possible if there's a lot of adoption, countries accepting cryptocurrency as legal tender, and institutions and a whole lot. And we are possible we can actually see that. He actually also said that gold can actually also surge to as high as $20,000 by 2030, which is also possible. But on the short term, right now, he's actually bearish on Bitcoin and saying that because of the US Fed policies, tightening policies, Bitcoin will actually string and go down to as low as $30,000. And we can see right now the Bitcoin market is actually seeing a lot of bearish movement. And right now, Bitcoin is trading around $38,000. So we can actually see a good bearish now, and actually even get even lower than $30,000. But we actually know that in the long run, crypto will actually do excellently well. We also have another news here. Bitcoin's latest tumble below $40K. What triggered this? Actually, why? Because we have seen that yesterday we actually saw a very bad bearish. The Bitcoin actually went below its key support level, and there was a lot of massive liquidations in the crypto market. So much liquidation as high as 300 million US dollars, which is the highest in past 2 weeks. You get, and Bitcoin has actually fallen from over $41,000 to $37,700, which is a crazy one in the past 24 hours. Which one of the reasons why this actually happened is that because tech stocks has actually gone down. We have a whole lot of like Google stocks, Microsoft stocks, Telsa doing excellently bad in the past 24 hours, and that's actually also triggered cryptocurrency. Bitcoin analysts say that could have actually helped also triggered Bitcoin to also do badly. And we also noticed that on Tuesday, Elon Musk actually acquired Twitter, and that actually was a very bullish signal and made Bitcoin and other coins like Dogecoin to do massively well. But in the next day, yesterday, we actually see Bitcoin doing very badly. It's actually a sad one. But we hope that the bear bulls will come back. Then we have the last news here. Ex Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey and the CEO of Coinbase Exchange praise Elon Musk over Twitter takeover. We actually see here that Brian Ackstrom, the CEO of Coinbase, and also Jack Dorsey, former CEO of Twitter, are very happy with Elon Musk taking over as the owner of Twitter, and they're actually in love with it because they actually love freedom. Like from what Brian Stroman says, he loves freedom of speech, so that's actually going to really enable it, and that's one of the